DNA-dependent RNA polymerase catalyzes transcription on one strand of the DNA, which is called option A, alpha strand. It is incorrect because there is no term such as alpha strand in context of transcription. Option B, anti-strand. It is also incorrect because there is also no recognized term as anti-strand in the context of DNA strand or transcription. Option C, template strand. Now, DNA-dependent RNA polymerase uses the template strand of DNA to synthesize RNA. And this strand is complementary to the RNA transcript. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, coding strand. It is incorrect because the coding strand has the same sequence as the RNA except for thymine, which is replaced by uracil, but it is not directly used during transcription.